Hey kids, how are you? Do you like poetry? I love poems and poetry. And do you know? My favorite poet is Julia A. Cornet. Let me read a poem from Julia A. Cornet. Okay, let me think. The title is Little Thing. This very famous poem. Here I go. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant sand. So the little moments, humble thou they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. So our little errors lead the soul away from the path of virtue, for in sin to stray. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our earth happy like the heaven above. Okay, bye-bye.